Today I'm going to share you the recipe of Paneer Makhni Handi, one of the most ordered dishes of paneer in restaurants. That too in a very simple way. You'll be amazed by the flavors, the texture of this gravy. So if you want to have something new, want to try something new, do try this combination. Goes very well with some naan, rotis, parathas or even fried rice. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do consider to subscribe my page. Do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's start with the recipe. So here are few ingredients. I have taken here one medium size of deseeded tomato chopped into medium size pieces, one medium size of capsicum chopped into medium size pieces, 1 inch ginger cut into juliennes, and 2 green chili slitted. These I need to toss in some oil at last. In spices, whole coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, some cumin seeds half a teaspoon, whole black pepper and green cardamom 3 to 4. So I just need to dry roast all these whole dry spices in medium flame for around 15 to 20 seconds. 2 dried red chilli also I have included in this. So this will give a very nice smell. So just 20 to 30 seconds max, and coarsely I'll grind this spice mixture. So this is it, it's done. I'll let it cool down and I'll grind it. And apart from this, I am taking here 2 large size of onion cut into medium size pieces, and to it I'll be adding 7 to 8 cashews and 1 green chili I'll be adding. Basically I just need to boil these 3 ingredients in half a cup of water for around 7 to 8 minutes. So in a pan I'll be adding this, half a cup of water goes in, cover it, and I'll just boil it for 7 to 8 minutes till the onions are 70-80% done and little bit amount of water is left at the base. You can adjust accordingly. So once it comes to boil, reduce the flame to medium and let it cook for around 6 to 7 minutes. And once done, switch off the flame. Make sure when you switch off the flame, there should be some amount of liquid left, around 3 to 4 tablespoons. So it's done here. I'll switch off the flame and let it cool, and then I'll grind these onions to a very fine smooth puree. It's done. So in a pan I'll take 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, and to it I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of butter. It's one butter chiplet that we get in market. So this goes in low flame. I'll allow it to melt because we don't want this butter to get burnt. And ginger garlic paste I have taken here 2 tablespoons. Once the butter melts, I'll add the ginger garlic paste and saute for around 1 minute in medium flame. Make sure this whole process will do in medium flame so that it doesn't get burned and the color of the gravy it doesn't change. And the coarsely grounded spice mix that we had made, that I'll add here, saute for around 1 minute or so in medium flame. A nice aroma will be released. It's done. I'll switch off the flame and let the temperature come down of this pan, because now we'll be adding thick curd around 4 tablespoons. So it's very important the temperature of this pan should be low. So after switching off the flame, wait for around 1 to 2 minutes till the pan cools down, and then I'll add curd and start mixing it. You can see I have nicely mixed the curd, and once this curd has nicely mingled with the spice mix, I'll gradually switch on the flame in low flame and start stirring it. In 2 to 3 minutes this curd will be nicely mixed, and you can see it's perfectly cooked. My curd has not curdled because I had lowered the temperature of this pot. Basically I had switched off the flame and waited for 1 to 2 minutes. So that's the trick. And once it's done, now I'll be adding the puree of onion and cashew nut. Again I'll mix it. You can see how beautifully the oil has oozed out from the curd and the tempered spices. Give it a mix, and now I'll be adding some salt according to taste, and to enhance the flavor, some green coriander leaf chopped. This goes in, and again give it a mix. This will give a very nice flavor, adding green coriander leaves at this stage. I'll reduce the flame to lowest, cover it and let it simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. You can see after 5 to 6 minutes oil will start to ooze out from this prepared base. So give it a mix again, and to this I'll be adding some paneer pieces. These are fresh paneer, around 300 grams cut into medium pieces. This goes in this gravy. And to this I'll be adding some milk now, because milk will give the creaminess and also will enhance the color. So after adding paneer, give it a mix and add around half a cup of milk at this stage. After adding milk, mix nicely all the ingredients. This entire process I am doing in medium flame. Make sure of this part, because we don't want in any time the gravy should get burnt. So in medium flame, this again starts to bubble out, and now cover in low flame and let it simmer in low flame for around more 5 to 6 minutes. And after 5 to 6 minutes, this is the consistency. At this stage, I'll be adding fresh cream around 3 tablespoons. This goes in, give it a mix. Adding cream at this stage will enhance the richness and the texture of this gravy. And I think little more amount of water needs to be added just to adjust the consistency. I've added here half a cup of water, and adding water will help to cook this gravy and allow easily the oil to ooze out. So now give it a mix, add the salt at this stage, reduce the flame and cover it for final more 5 to 6 minutes or till the oil starts to separate, and it's looking beautiful at this stage. Let it again simmer in open flame, and meanwhile we'll do the final preparation. It's already done, oil has oozed out, and for final preparation I'll be adding some coriander leaves, kasuri methi 1/4 teaspoon, and as one special touch is that the vegetables we had taken in 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoon oil in high flame will just saute for 30 to 40 seconds. The capsicum, the tomatoes, ginger and green chilies in 2 tablespoon oil, and in high flame I had sauteed for around 30-40 seconds. This I'll add as a tempering. That's the special touch. Give it a mix, and a delicious paneer makhni handi in restaurant style is done. So it's beautifully served. As you can see, the creamy gravy speaks volumes of the taste, and the last addition of the sauteed vegetables, capsicum, tomatoes and ginger, green chili gives the final touch. So delicious and tempting paneer makhni handi restaurant style is done. You can enjoy with some hot rotis, naan, paratha or even fried rice. And now it's time for the comment of today, and today's comment is from Raj. I mean, his ID is Raj, naam to suna hoga. He commented, tried the recipe on Sunday and it came out fantastic. Perfect consistency even though cooked in pressure cooker. Best part, didn't feel heavy, masala type after the meal. Thank you Subhankari Didi for this amazing time saving dish. I'm going to make it soon again and will make a video out of it. My chicken cooking style is changed from now on. Thank you so much, Raj. So glad that you loved my recipe. He has commented on the recipe of quick chicken curry in a pressure cooker. So glad it turned out well, and thank you so much for letting me know. And for today's recipe, the delicious restaurant style paneer makhni handi. You will love the recipe. Do give it a try. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.